So do you guys know what this is?
Legless lizard.
This is a legless lizard. Good job. Yeah, this is called a glass lizard or a legless lizard. This particular species is from Europe. And there's a few ways that you can tell that he's a lizard and not a snake. So how did you know that he was a legless lizard and not a snake?
Snakes have more of a
Snakes usually have kind of a different shaped head, right? So he has a very lizard-looking head. But there's a few other ways by looking at his head that you can tell that he's a lizard and not a snake. One of them is if you look on the sides there, you'll see little holes. Those are his ears. So snakes don't have ear holes. Only lizards do. And the other thing that you may notice if you watch carefully, he'll blink. Snakes never blink because they don't have eyelids. So snakes have a scale that goes over their eye called eye caps, and that's how their eyes are protected, but this guy has eyelids, so he can close his eyes if he needs to. One of the other ways that you can tell is that he's mostly tail and has a fairly short body. If you look, he's got this line along the side of his body that's called his lateral line. It ends right here, and that's where his body ends, and his tail begins. And you can see that he's got this really long tail. Now, like a lot of lizards, these guys can break their tails off, but this particular species, they break into multiple pieces, which is why they get the name glass lizard. It's like they shatter. So he's a little more delicate than a snake would be.